I'm going to show you how to do this soft glam for when you want to look like you have makeup on, but you don't want to do the whole thing. First, I'm going to go in with this primer. This is the Maybelline Grippy Serum. Just everywhere. While I let that get tacky, I'm going to do my brows. This is It Cosmetics Brow Power. I don't even know if they still make this. I got this for free when I worked at Ulta like 5 years ago. So I'm just going to kind of draw down here that shape, spoolie it out, kind of do that, you know, and draw that line at the bottom and fill in the sparseness on the edges. I'm gonna be honest, I think my brows are what I know how to do like the least. Gonna take some concealer. This is the NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer. Put a little bit on the back of my hand. Take a brush like this and we're gonna carve out our brows right on this line. I forgot a step before this, hang on. I forgot to say that this is the Maybelline Super Lock Tinted Brow Gel. So I'm just kind of gonna push these bad boys down. All right, where were we? Go here a little bit past where my brow ends. So it has more of an ombre. Same on this side. And that kind of went too close, but it's okay, it's fine. Then I'm also gonna go on the top, mainly on the outer part. The NARS Pot Concealer and cover up some of my acne scarring. And by some, I mean my entire face. I'm getting the little crevices of my nose and stuff and any little spots I have. This is the True Match Foundation from L'Oreal. Not gonna use a whole lot, just like one pump for now. I'll build it up if I need to, but right now I might not want the most coverage. I don't know, we'll see how I'm feeling. Avoid putting any of that foundation right under your eye. And I am stippling this, I'm not swiping. And take it down your neck. Then I'm just gonna go on top with a beauty blender. You can wet it, you probably should, but I can't be bothered. So we're just going in with a dry one to kind of press that in a little more. I'm gonna add just a touch more. Oops, that was a lot. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Wand. Just gonna put some here, here, and then up here, and then stipple again to blend that out. Take this ColourPop liquid blush in the shade IKTR. Dot here, blend that out, and we'll build it up if we need to. Ooh, that was a lot. It's okay if there's a lot because we're doing concealer after. Back with that NYX concealer, putting that here, and blend it out. Gonna add some concealer up here too. And I'm gonna take my foundation brush and just kind of go along here a little bit. Gonna take some of this Desique Berry Smoothie palette. Just kind of tap in there and tap that on. Really make sure this is blended out and hasn't started creasing. Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Setting Powder under the eyes. I'm also gonna put some up here, down here. I'm gonna set all this with the NYX Face Glue Setting Spray. I'm gonna take this really old Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer, pat that onto my eye, and I'm gonna set my lids with this translucent setting powder. And take a big fluffy brush in this ColourPop Going Coconuts palette. Start with this shade, and I'm just putting it in the crease and on the outer part of my eye. And kind of winging it out just a tad. With a smaller brush, I'm gonna go with a slightly darker color, focusing just in the crease and the outer part of my eye to add just a little bit of depth. Taking an angled brush like this, I'm gonna go into this dark brown and just kind of stamp along here. And then, this is the scary part, line it up and stamp here, kind of bring that down a little bit. Okay. And the other side. That one's bigger than that one. Ah. And it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Tug it out a little bit. See, why is that one perfect and this one? Ah, it's fine. And then bring it down a little bit too. And I'm gonna buff it out just a tiny little bit. Good enough. Take the shade that we used for the crease down here, other side, and with that residue, kind of buff it out a little more maybe. I could use my finger to sharpen it up. And I'm just gonna take my finger, go into this light shade, put that on the inner part of my eye and the inner corner. Then make sure that these are kind of blended together. I really thought I was going to do a full matte look, but I'm going to go in with the Gunmetal palette from ColourPop. Just take a little bit of that shimmer right here. Gonna put on my Lash Without Limits mascara. This blend up here is bugging me, so I'm gonna take a little brush and that translucent powder again and just kind of buff it out to make it a softer blend. And I'm gonna sharpen up this line a little bit. For lip liner, I'm gonna use this NYX Suede matte lip liner in the shade Caviar. Blend that out a little bit. This is Laka, I don't know, Beauty Fruity Glam Tint Mini. Put that there. Set this all again. All right, here we go. This is just kind of a more subtle glam for when you want something, but you don't want to do the full, you know, black eyeliner, lashes, all that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.